Good morning, traders. Today is Sunday, August 27th. We had one hell of a week last week, didn't we? Crazy ups, crazy big downs, and then ended the week up. So, what I'm going to review for you guys today is basically all of last trading week. We got every day called correctly. Up, then down, then up, then down, and then up again. Right? That's how Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday went. So we're going to kind of just show you just one or two tweets from each day. But we're going to start off with August 19th. That was Friday. Not Friday as in this past Friday. That was Friday before that, August 19th. I tweeted out option A, option B for the upcoming Monday. This one right here, this was Monday. We now know it was option B. Now, of course, yes, it did go down first and then up, but overall, it was option B because it was up. Okay, so that was a tweet from Friday, August 19th. This was August 21st, Monday. I went long here. So it went down a little bit further right there, but then it rocketed up. Okay, so that was the Monday tweet. I'm not going to get into all of this week's intraday tweets. That's too much. So I'm just covering the highlights. So basically, what I'm doing nowadays is during the pre-market, I want to emphasize, I need the pre-market data. Overnight data gives me, at best, 50% of what I need to know from the market maker. So I need pre-market to tell me what are you going to do. Okay? So, this was a Monday. Went long. Here's the tweet. Okay? Nice. Nice gain. So, this is Monday evening where I said, hey, market maker now has the advantage, guys. I do anticipate a drop tomorrow, as in Tuesday. It's just a matter of how it happens intraday. We all know what happened on Tuesday. Boop, big drop. Okay? So, yeah. So, this is, 3:39 p.m., about 39 minutes after closing bell on Monday, August 21st. When I sent this tweet out. Okay, so as we know, gap up overnight, boop, and then dump the rest of the day on Tuesday. Okay, so yeah, it was the here we go, nibbling short. This is Tuesday morning right here. See that? Boop, boop. Oh, I said, oh yeah, we're going down. Sayonara. Okay, so this is Wednesday. This tweet here, the 23rd. Right here. Okay? Scalp long, baby. I mean, I basically, actually, I tweeted just before this. Or I think I did. If I didn't, I meant to. Basically, opening bell. Long. That's. I said, I'm going long. I'm scalping long. Okay? That's exactly what happened, didn't it? Boom, 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 boom. Rest of the day. Okay? Even though, despite this huge drop right here, look at that. Boom, waterfall action right here. Yeah, right here. Same thing. Okay? This is Wednesday. Intraday. Let's see here. Yeah, intraday. I tweeted this out. I said, it's not too late to go long, guys. Still not too late. She's gonna explode. Right? There you have it. Okay, as we all know, this was, Wednesday, August 23rd, NVIDIA. We all know what happened. I don't need to get into all that. You guys know what happened the night that it happened. Yeah. Okay, so basically, we'll just say approximately 45 minutes. We'll just say that. 45 minutes before closing bell on Wednesday. I sent out the tweet, or an hour-ish. I sent out the tweets. Watch these bull bars. Kind of hard to see, but I do call them out here. 470.65. Yeah, 470.65 and 471.30. It did turn out just before closing bell. Oh, we'll just like 15 to 20 minutes before. It hit them both. Okay, it hit them both. But that's what I was calling out. Watch for these bull bars. See if it hits it or not, because it almost came close earlier that afternoon. It came close, but not quite. Didn't quite touch it. You have to at least touch it to the penny. Actually, this came short by 1 penny right here. So you didn't touch it. Okay? That's how to interpret that. So, we all know what happened with NVIDIA. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so here we go. This is Thursday, August 24th. So, despite yesterday's huge up move, despite NVIDIA's huge up move overnight that also propelled SPY, as you see here, what did I say on Thursday? Oh, I'm shorting this. I'm shorting any pump at opening bell. Okay? We're going to give back some of this up move today. Don't be an astronaut hero. I'm talking to the moon boys. Don't do it. You're going to pay the price. And if you were being a moon boy on Thursday, oh, you paid the price. Big time. Okay? Don't do it. Now, yeah, I mean, just a real quick mention. So at opening bell, I was like, ooh, it's going down already. So, I shorted it like right here. But then, as you guys probably remember, big green candle up. But I was like, no. This is just a head fake. Okay, that's why I said, I plan to short any pump at opening bell. That's exactly what I did too. So I shorted it here at opening bell as it started to fall. And then I saw this huge pump up. So I'm short that too. Okay? And that's what I did. You guys on Twitter who follow me know that to be true. Huge down move, guys. Okay? So, that was Thursday. Friday. Jerome Powell. Jackson Hole. 20s. Actually, yeah. 20s. Well, this is 7:04. No, I'm sorry. That's Central Time. Man, I got my own time zone mixed up. 7:04 a.m. Almost an hour and a half before opening bell. I couldn't trade it. For those of you guys who don't follow me on Twitter, because I had to take my son to his pediatrician for annual visit. So I sent out this tweet based on what I saw in pre-market patterns. It's a dump and pump. Like the August 10th, I have it right here. Like the August 10th CPI. First 10 to 15 minutes, watch for a megaphone like it did here. See that? Up, down, then boom. Okay? Watch for the megaphone. Higher high, lower low. First, it's going to spike up, scalp, short it. Then, I called for a stair steps down to about 433.01, which was last Friday, August 19th low. Right? Over a week ago now. And then it's going to rip up to finish at session highs. The July 27th pullback ends today. Okay, so let's zoom back out. What happens? Let me see. Let's have a look at this. Okay. See? So, on my chart, you see these wicks down. Well, actually, technically it's wick up, not wick down. Wick down is like this. Wick up is like that. Okay? So, wick up, pump. Now you have a megaphone. Right? Up, scalp short, down, get out of your shorts, get calls, up. That's exactly what happened. All right. So that is how Monday through Friday went. Very good. Very, very good. On that Friday, I think this is an appropriate public service announcement PSA. Don't try to be a hero. Don't be greedy. When you see money, you take money. Don't think, oh, hey, I'm up 30%. Let's go for 40. Come on. Do I hear 40? Do I got 40? It's like we're at an auction, right? Don't stare at the light. Meaning, don't just look at the price action and say, oh my, OMG, we're going to crash. Don't stare at the light. Do not assume that what happened in 2022 Jackson Hole, where we all remember what happened, that August 2022 Jackson Hole sent the markets plummeting down to the October 13th market low. That was the bear market low. Okay? You do not assume the same pattern will repeat when the financial underpinnings are 100% different in 2022 August than they are in August 2023. Totally different. That's why it's actually a false narrative to compare price action. Price action. Notice I'm emphasizing price action of previous years. Because the MACD in those previous years are in a 100% different position than they are today. You cannot compare previous years at all. Nothing. So, keep your wits about you. See money, take money. All right. Okay. Actually, oh yeah, it was the 25th. On the 25th, I tweeted that I was sharing a conversation. I'm sharing a conversation I had in direct messaging. That actually I suspected. There's a small part of me that suspects we may have already bottomed. Last Friday, August 18th. I sent that on August 21st. And I tweeted that I sent it out on August 21st, on August 25th. Okay? So, yes, I think we've already bottomed. Now, this tweet. This is Friday. You see the higher low notch right here? Yes. That's the same looking notch we got on March 13th. And so too does Friday. We have the notch. We also have the notch. We have had the notch on SPY Futures ES 1 hour already. Actually, last Friday. There was a notch last Friday. August 18th. Okay. Thursday night, when we had that huge down move, right? Just all day from beginning, opening bell to closing bell, down. I actually was talking to LRF car reviews on YouTube, commenting there. I just said, this is psychological manipulation. And then on Friday, I revealed why. Huge red day yesterday. That would have been Thursday, right? Thursday before Jackson Hole. Huge red day is burned into the eyes of every trader, staring at the light. I'm the market maker. I'm going to burn into your eyes. It's going down. And then once again, what I just warned against, 2022 Jackson Hole sent the markets further plummeting. That's a fact. But I will also remind you, 2022 was the bear market that we are no longer in 2023. Okay? So, and I'm also going to kind of throw some constructive feedback. I am going to have to say it because I've gotten feedback from so-called Elliott wave experts. You know, ABC legs, up, down, crash, this, that. And they have been completely off. I've been getting Elliott wave projections daily. Completely off last week. Completely off. Okay? So, you don't have to send me any more Elliott wave stuff. I'm really not interested in looking at that. I think my own methods, as they were already proven here in these tweets this last week, are doing fine. Okay, so, yeah, point number 2, 2022, Jackson Hole. Point number 1, big red candle. Point number 3, megaphone. Remember the one I tweeted out before opening bell on Friday? I said, hey, watch for the megaphone. Scalp short that first spike. So the third point, the market maker dumped it after spiking it up. Dumped it. Everyone was like, oh, that's it. I've got 3 points right here, psychologically. Yesterday was huge red. Jackson Hole last year was a fiasco, right? And now we're going down. Convincing the bears to go full port short. But then the market maker ripped it the other way. Oops. There you go, guys. Now, this was Friday. And this is what I think is coming up next. Here's the final analysis. 44114, right here. Right here. 44114. I think is the line to watch for this whole week. Okay? Anticipate Monday and Tuesday is going to be overall consolidation / chop, right? Overall. Watch for how the price relates to or oscillates around 44114. I think Monday it's gonna go above it, and then I think we're gonna close back below it. Okay? It's going to oscillate or relate to 44114 in some way. What I cannot tell you is, well, what's gonna happen Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday? I don't know. That's why I need pre-market data to tell me, give me an idea. But what I'm gonna be looking for is, how is the market maker positioning itself every day in pre-market before opening bell around 44114? That's where I'm going with this. Watch for that pattern. Okay? Are you above it? Are you below it? Are you closing above it? Are you closing below it? See what I mean? It's going to work. It's not ready to surge. I would be stunned if it surges. No, I don't think so. I need to see how it relates to 44114 before I say, oh yeah, sir, it's going. She's gonna blow. She's going. She's gonna explode. Okay? So, that is what I am proposing to watch for. Cannot tell you. I mean, you notice with me, you guys who follow me on Twitter, I don't sit there and go, well, I think Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday is going to be like this. I'm like, oh, I don't know, man. How about let's just get past tomorrow first? See what I mean? That's where I find the problem with Elliott waves. Is Yeah, you're projecting Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Or is this an impulsive wave? Is it non-impulsive? I don't know. So it's almost like you're trying to project, like if you're playing Texas Hold'em poker, you're projecting that the card you're gonna get next is the ace, king, or queen. Well, how do you know that? You don't know. How about why don't you just let the dealer deal you the card and then you play that card real time? Okay, that's how I choose to look at it. All right, so all right, that is basically what I have there. And of course, when I saw this green frog online, oh, I had to tweet that. That's it's fantastic. Okay? If you don't remember a word I've ever tweeted, remember this. Smoke cigars, not hopium. Don't decide on a direction and then trade on that bias. Don't do it. Whether that bias is up or down, it makes no difference. Don't make a decision and then trade on that bias. All right. Please feel free to follow me on Twitter, where I give intraday real-time tweets and analysis. Don't forget to listen to your favorite music while you are trading. It helps you get into the right state of mind, the right flow state. Please give this video a like, share, subscribe, or click to be notified when I release something new. With that, I'm Agent 000, signing off.